Welcome back to Texas Thermal Hunting. I got so many questions about the last video I did, but here it is. The solar deer stand Muddy makes. These are eco-worthy 4 200-watt solar panels with a DELLA 9,000 BTU mini split. This thing is sweet. Inverter charger, 3,000 watts. Hiboost cell phone booster. 2 12.8 volt, 280 amp batteries, lithium powered. 100 amp solar charger controller. You guys, it don't get no better than this. Me and the wife, we like to coyote hunt. We like to hog hunt, deer hunt. And down here in Texas, it gets so hot. This is the perfect setup. You guys like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. Thank y'all.